Imagine a world where your morning smoothies, spicy salsas, and creamy soups are nothing but a distant dream. That was the reality before the blender came into our lives. In the early 20th century, a man named Stephen Poplawski dared to innovate and created the exciting saga of the blender. From a simple idea born out of a desire to simplify the preparation of malt milk to a device praised for its versatility and ability to transform ingredients and therefore our diets. The blender's journey is an amazing spiral of creativity and innovation. A device that has changed our culinary adventures forever by transforming whole foods into pulps, purees, and elixirs in mere seconds. Flavors of marvelous concoctions were now an indispensable part of our daily lives. It has become an auxiliary kitchen appliance in kitchens around the world. Poplawski's invention was not just a tool, it was a revolution that encouraged chefs and housewives to experiment, innovate, and create with boundless culinary curiosity.